All right, so here with Sean Russell after his match in the Wrestlebacks against Ronnie Bresser of Oregon State. Just go through everything that went through. Obviously, you came back from an early 2-0 deficit, and just take us from there.
I got taken down early, got my escape in the second, but shot, left my arm up in the second, and got ran over. So got to make some adjustments and get better.
And just overall, like your first experience here at the NCAAs, you obviously have one victory to come out of it. A lot of people competing in this competition, they're fortunate to get a victory, if anything at all. Just go through, as a redshirt freshman, how is it getting at least one victory here?
It's cool, but that's never the goal. The goal is to get on the podium or win the tournament. So obviously I got to go back and keep getting better and keep working every day until next year.
Are there any specifics that you might do during the off season to improve your game?
Work harder, work smarter, put some size on.
All right, thanks a lot, Sean. We'll see you next time. You had a great year. Oh, sorry.
You're good.
Catch you later.